How to declutter your home like a professional. Unless you truly like to declutter, it's typically a pretty overwhelming process. But when you have too much stuff, what can you do to actually declutter all the things? I am breaking down all my tips for how to declutter your home like a professional, room by room, with a free checklist. Plus, I share all the steps to go through to organize my in-home and virtual clients. Step 1, start where you sleep. There is a lot to tackle in bedrooms, which is why these tips are rather specific. I always recommend starting with your bedroom when decluttering. Because when your bedroom is clutter-free, you get a better night's sleep. Start by removing all the things that do not belong in your bedroom. So you're only keeping the items that need to stay in your bedroom. Place all the other items in areas you plan to store them throughout your house, but don't worry about putting those things away. Focus on one area, and that's your bedroom. Then put all the items you want to keep in spots in your bedroom where you want to keep them. Move on to closets. After your bedroom is decluttered, move on to your closets and dresser drawers. Clothing is easy to declutter because you can visually see if something fits or doesn't. Start by taking all your clothing out, either all the dresser drawers or the entire closet or parts. Then put back the clothing pieces you wear frequently. These are easy to pick out of the pile because you know what you wear every day. The remaining items are what you can decide to sell, keep, or donate. Tackle the kids' rooms. Kids' bedrooms should be the next area you declutter. Focus on only keeping certain type of things in the bedroom. Don't let the toy clutter pile up. Only keep a few toys in that space. Create effective ways to store their clothing so that they can keep it up on their own. We declutter things that don't fit by keeping a bag in the kids' closets. They can throw clothing into it that no longer fits. They can do it themselves. The heart of the home. The kitchen is the busiest place in most homes. Keeping things organized can help with quick meal prep. Make sure you keep all cooking supplies located in areas where you use them frequently. Pantry Organization. Being able to find everything in your pantry can actually keep your food costs down. Not only are you saving money because you aren't buying excess, you are more likely to use up everything you have and create less waste. To organize a pantry, you have to remove everything. Then label each shelf with specific type of foods like you would find at a grocery store. Then put the food back on the shelves. Sometimes you have to group categories together because of space. So make sure you take time to group like items together along with checking expiration dates. As you put the item back, make sure you create a plan for what to do with those new things. Shared spaces need decluttering too. Shared spaces are those areas that everyone uses, like living rooms, family rooms, sunrooms, or basements. Start the decluttering process by removing anything that doesn't belong. Then take action to make the space feel cozy. Since everyone uses these spaces, you want to ensure that they are welcoming to the entire family. Toy clutter. The most important thing to remember when it comes to limiting toy clutter is to constantly sift through toys to get rid of them. Start by taking note of what the kids actually play with. Then remove the items they don't. Have the kids get involved in the process. Dump out a bin and have the kids put back their favorites. The remaining toys can be donated or sold. Leftover items. Now, I'm sure you have leftover items after you did a giant declutter. So what do you do with those? You have to decide if those items are worth saving. Some may be sentimental and some may be junk. You have to go through each item to decide if it's worth saving. Remember, money was already spent on those items. Now you can enjoy your nicely decluttered home.